here we are doing SOP for PostgreSQL. Now in this, given the list of fields: employee ID, employee name, employee department, salary ID, salary amount, bonus in the table, employee salary, employee and salary respectively. Now define primary key, foreign key, and segregate for above fields into employee and salary table. So we have to create two tables, employee and salary. Also create one-to-one relationship between employee and salary table. So in this we have to create relationship between the two tables, that is employee and salary, and in that we need to create a following field. So the first hierarchy, we need to create a database. Inside database we will create tables. Now inside tables we will create the fields, and in the fields we will provide a data type. Now we can create in this database by any name. Here we are creating a database by the name school. So first step, create school database. CREATE, create SCHOO, create database school. Press semicolon, enter. Database will be creating. Now we need to connect with database /c school, enter. Now you are connected with the database. Now we need to create a table salary. Now inside salary, what we need to create? Salary ID, then salary amount. This thing we need to create: salary ID, salary amount, and bonus. So here salary ID, salary amount, and bonus in the table employee and salary. So here create table salary. In that salary ID, salary amount, bonus will be there. So now first we have to write the command, that is create table salary, bracket open, salary ID is integer, that is primary key. I will explain you what is primary key, comma, after that comma, salary amount is integer, comma, bonus is integer, bracket close, semicolon. Now create table salary, salary ID integer, primary key, salary amount integer, bonus integer, enter. So now the table has been created. Now the concept of primary key. A primary key is used to ensure data in the specific column is unique. So the salary ID what I had created, that is unique. The duplicate table will not be created. Now further we'll make a foreign key, and I will discuss what is foreign key. The primary key means it is a unique key. Further this key is not being used anywhere else. That's why it's a primary key. Now we have to create another table. Create table employee, EMPLOYEE. Inside employee ID integer, EMPID integer, and this is the primary key. And then EmpName, EmpName, employee name as text, EXT. Then after that employee name text, employee department also is text, EmpDept. This is in text, text. Now salary ID integer, this will be used as a foreign key. Comma, after text you have to write SalaryId as a integer. This will be my foreign key. Why it is my foreign key, I will just explain you. Key, that is SalaryId. Again I have to write in the bracket, I have to define it. ID, bracket close. References, from which table? References means it is from the table salary. What I am taking, that is row salary ID, bracket close, main bracket close. Now here first I will explain you the primary key is used to ensure data in the specific column is unique. A foreign key is a column or a group of columns in a relational database table that provides a link between data in two tables. Now foreign key will provide a link between two tables. Now we need to take a link. Which link I am taking? Here I am taking a primary key of the another table. So my primary key of another table will become a foreign key of other table. So it refers to the field in a table which is the primary key of another table. So now what happens? Now my SalaryId is the primary key in the table salary. So I wanted to create a linkage. So I am pulling up that primary key and putting in the table employee. Now in the table employee, this primary key will become my foreign key. Now this will act as a link. It will act as a relationship between the two table. Press enter. Now the table has been created. Now you can see the table. Select star from salary. This is my first table. Select star from employee. In employee you will see the foreign key that had used. You can see there is one more column added, that is SalaryId. So SalaryId is a link between the two tables. So we had done the relationship between two tables. So we had satisfied the question condition. Let's come with the question. Given the list of the field employee ID, we had created employee name and employee department. Then we had created SalaryId, also salary amount, bonus in the table employee and salary. We have defined primary key also in the first table. Then we have defined foreign key also in another table for the above field in both the table employee and salary. And also we had created one-to-one relationship between employee and salary through foreign key. So here we had created school database. Then we had connect also. Now in this database we had created two tables, employee and salary, with the following field. We have defined primary key also, foreign key also, and segregate for the above field in employee and salary table. Employee ID, employee name, employee department, SalaryId, salary amount, bonus. Now we had created a table by the name salary. In that we had put SalaryId as an integer primary key. Here we need to define a primary key because this primary key we need to pull up in the another table as a foreign key. That foreign key will provide a linkage between two tables. Salary amount as integer and bonus as integer. Now we had created another table employee. Here we had created employee ID integer as a primary key. Then employee name as text, employee department as text, SalaryId as integer, that is my foreign key. SalaryId references, again SalaryId from the table salary, that is for references, and the SalaryId is my this integer what I have created. Now we have to see both the tables. Select star from salary and select star from employee. So this was the experiment. In that we have learned how to create primary key and how to give relationship between two tables through foreign key. I hope you have understood this experiment. It was very easy. If you have any doubt you can always ask me. Thank you.